Hi, task 4. Let's talk and share a speaking task by Andre Felipe Moncada. Hello everyone, my name is Andre Felipe Moncada. I am 44 years old and I am currently studying industrial engineering. What were you doing last Christmas? The last Christmas I was together with my whole family, celebrating the holiday and sharing special moments with everyone. This recipe, more than a typical dish, is a family recipe, which we enjoy as a family and we like it very much. The recipe is baked potatoes and chicken. These are the ingredients: 4 chicken breasts, 2 potatoes, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1/2 teaspoon salt and pepper. After you get ingredients, you need to 1. First, peel and chop the potatoes. 2. Next, brush the potatoes and chicken breast with oil, salt, and pepper. Then put them in the preheated oven and bake them for exactly 52 minutes in the oven at about 118 degrees. At the end, serve the baked chicken and potatoes with your favorite dressing or salad. Now, I invite you to enjoy this recipe with your families. Thank you. Bye bye.